Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. With two self-contained flats, this home off Old Stony Hill Road has lots of earning potential. The property spans just under half of an acre. The main house consists of 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms to include a master suite. There is also a sitting room, a family room, separate living and dining rooms, an office, a large kitchen and a laundry room. On the ground floor are two self-contained flats laid out as follows: 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, living, dining, and a kitchen, whilst the other flat has 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, living, dining area, and kitchen. Additional features include a covered garage, solar and electric water heaters, security alarm system, cameras, electronic gate, and water storage tanks, with lots of outdoor space and a huge backyard. The property is also well fruited with mango, avocado, orange, coconut, and banana trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $99.5 million or US $646.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.